Welcome to Bio Mode, your trusted place where we uncover the inspiring stories of today's most fascinating models. Today, we step into the captivating world of Lae Lae, a rising curvy model who has captured hearts with her confidence, charm, and undeniable presence, both online and offline. Lae Lae's journey is nothing short of remarkable. She didn't come from an easy background, nor was her rise to fame handed to her on a silver platter. Like many dreamers, she started with small opportunities, testing her passion for modeling in an industry that often favored traditional beauty standards. But Lae Lae proved that true beauty lies in uniqueness and confidence. From her very first photo shoots, her radiant personality and fearless authenticity made her stand out. In the early stages, Lae Lae's financial resources were modest. She started with limited wealth, often juggling between small modeling gigs and side hustles to make ends meet. But what she lacked in money, she made up for in determination. She invested in herself, polishing her posing techniques, building her portfolio, and consistently engaging with her growing fan base on social media. Slowly but steadily, she transformed those humble beginnings into a career that today reflects both her hard work and her belief in self-love. Her body measurements, celebrated by her fans, define her signature curvy look. Standing tall with graceful confidence, Lae Lae embraces her figure proudly. With a bust size of around 38 inches, a waist measuring 30 inches, and hips of about 44 inches, she embodies the perfect balance of curves and elegance. Her height of 5 feet 7 inches adds to her commanding stage and camera presence, making every photo shoot and runway walk a showcase of natural beauty. Lae Lae's lifestyle is just as inspiring as her professional journey. She has always been vocal about promoting body positivity, encouraging young women to love themselves without conforming to unrealistic standards. She lives a balanced life, enjoying travel, fashion, and fitness in her own style. While she maintains her health through light workouts and nutritious food, she equally indulges in life's joys, proving that balance is the true key to happiness. On social media, Lae Lae has built an impressive following. With thousands of loyal fans across Instagram, TikTok, and other platforms, her posts consistently attract engagement, admiration, and encouragement. Followers connect with her not only for her beauty, but for the authenticity she brings, her behind-the-scenes moments, her laughter, her motivational captions, and her unapologetic realness. Today, Lae Lae's net worth reflects her growing influence. From brand partnerships and modeling assignments to sponsored content, she has transformed her once limited financial beginnings into a more stable and flourishing lifestyle. Though she remains grounded, her earnings now support her creative ventures, travels, and a comfortable life she once only dreamed of. Lae Lae is more than just a curvy model. She's a symbol of confidence, resilience, and the changing standards of beauty in today's world. Her story reminds us that success isn't just about wealth or fame. It's about staying true to oneself and embracing every step of the journey. And that is the story of Lae Lae, a curvy model who continues to inspire countless people around the globe.